Hey guys, it's Kaz at Diesel Doctor here. We just are doing an autopsy basically on an engine that was brought into us from another competitor. A guy shipped this in from Oklahoma and wanted us to look at this engine and find out what the problem with it was, what caused his issue here. Anyways, you can see the picture of the pistons. You can see that the valves came in contact. Cut that off, say here. And it's almost on every single cylinder. You'll notice that they're not touching on the intake, okay, over here, just on the exhaust. Over here as well, and it's all the way around. They're touching over here. That one really got it. But anyways, we pulled the heads off to look and see what was going on with it. And we're going to check the valve recession right quick. 13 to 27 thousandths is what you should be seeing on this. Now, if we look at our valve recession here, this just gives us a rough estimate. Okay, so this one here looks good. Now remember, that's the one that did not, these did not touch. That was the intake valve. If we look at the exhaust valve, let's see. Now, it was this one down here that smacked it so hard. Wait a minute. Oh, is this the head? That's the reason why. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong head. This head over here. This is the one that originally came off. Okay, so this is the one that came in contact. There we go. There's what your valve recession wound up being on this. So you look like you've got about 6 thousandths valve recession here. This one right here, about 9 thousandths valve recession. This one here, about looks like about 7.5. Down here, it's the same way. So no wonder all of them came in contact. What they did was they decked this head, and you can see the inconsistency, because if you look at this, you see that we've got 13 thousandths here or better. But you can see the inconsistency in it. And the reason why is because when they decked the head, they didn't come back and check for valve recession. They should have had, like I say, 13 to 27 thousandths. And that's what caused this engine to go down. They just didn't have the valve recession set right. So anyway, something to keep in mind when you're choosing a machine shop. Just make sure that they're doing it right. Thanks for watching.